Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best OBD2 Scan Tool. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Foxw. Model number, NT716. Features a 5.5-inch TFT capacitive LCD touchscreen that will respond to glove use. One-touch update via Wi-Fi makes the scanner keep the latest system status at all times. It offers technicians and enthusiasts an easy and affordable solution to pinpoint troubles of engine, transmission, ABS and airbags on major American, Asian and European makes. It can support common required service functions including oil reset, EPB, TPS, SAS, TPMS and ABS bleeding. One-touch complaint allows for quicker and more accurate fixes for your diagnostic troubles and bugs. Fast boot up and multitasking based on Android 9.0 operating system. Provides easy diagnosis on multiple vehicle makes. Identifies cars quickly and easily with one key VIN reading. Reads and clears codes of engine, transmission, ABS and airbag systems. The diagnostic tool can help detect the engine ignition, fuel injection, air and fuel ratio, and exhaust emission conditions in engine system to enhance vehicle performance, save energy and reduce exhaust emission. Number 4. Brand name, Stool. Model number, D8 BT. Stool D8 BT is an all-in-one system that enables you to not only quickly detect different errors, but perform various of maintenance functions as well, make it pay for itself in a short time. D8 BT offers a robust lineup of advanced functions such as ECU coding, PMA, bidirectional controls, 38+ services, key programming, full system diagnostics, and more. Allows the mechanic to troubleshoot quick and efficient for a seamless workflow. Stool D8 BT Pro Level Automotive Diagnostic Scanner provides you with a dealership-level only diagnosis, getting accurate and in-depth results across all automotive systems. OE-level full system diagnostic tasks for codes, retrieve freeze frame, read ECU information, matching, adaptation, view the live data from each available system in graph or text. Perform active tests to check the work status of modules. Number 3. Brand name, Launch. Model number, CRP129X. Launch CRP129X primarily diagnoses the engine, ABS, airbag and transmission systems. It reads and clears codes for those systems. That, in turn, makes it possible to clear the MIL, SRS and OBS service lights. You will know what the problem is anytime your car breaks down. And that will help you determine whether it needs immediate attention, and how much you should expect to spend on repairs. This scan tool is built with a larger 5-inch touchable HD 720 pixels screen and keypad design for better operation. This diagnostic OBD2 scanner works for engine, transmission, ABS and SRS diagnoses, thus reading or clearing diagnostic trouble codes, showing live data stream, turning off the warning light related. Besides, with the battery voltage test, you are able to monitor the battery voltage timely. Number 2. Brand name, Topden. Model number, Phoenix Lite 2. Phoenix Lite 2 is Topden's new compact pro-level scan tool. This tool is designed to be streamlined and deployable. When technicians have jobs outside the shop or jobs that need to be resolved fast, The Phoenix Lite 2 is up to the task. With a robust array of special functions, online coding, and broad vehicle coverage, this versatile scan tool clears up jobs faster and gets shops moving. Generate the most complete diagnostic reports with advanced scanning functions and Bluetooth battery testing compatibility. The Phoenix Lite 2 features a larger battery capacity to save you from repeatedly charging the Lite 2 throughout the day. The 12,600 mAh battery has up to 24 hours of battery life with the screen on. The Phoenix Lite 2 supports online coding for Benz, BMW, Porsche, VW, Audi, Seat and more vehicles. This helps to match and code new ECUs after a replacement, or to unlock the hidden functions, bringing more possibilities to your car. The Phoenix Lite 2 will walk you through the operation with step-by-step procedures to perform matching, calibrations, and basic settings while diagnosing, compatible with VW, Skoda, Seat and more vehicles. The customer can see more details in the interface with its 8-inch high-resolution LCD screen enables the screen to be clearly visible. Number 1. Brand name, Foxw. Model number, NT604 Elite. NT604 Elite Automotive Scanner is equipped with solid protective case, preventing your OBD2 scanner from damage. The Foxw scanner provides live sensor data in text and graph formats to view two PIDs simultaneously. DTC help you check the code definition on the machine when the scanner shows you the fault code. Data record, playback and printable inspection report make diagnostic information easily at your hands. This scan tool for all vehicles can automatically identify the vehicle and perform a quick scan, which allows you to quickly match the right updated software that will enhance the diagnostic capabilities and resolve compatibility issues. The NT604 Elite code readers and scan tools will show you real-time data in text and graph like engine speed, engine coolant temperature, fuel system status, short-term fuel trim and etc.